tsaka na net interest.
Sama mo implicit. Explicit. Dalawa yan, implicit sa explicit. Bali 5. Apat lang. Ang 5 yun. Kasama mo yun, ha? Kasama yun, ha? Explicit. Ma-explain mo ba yun? Yung implicit, ma-explain mo. Implicit wala ka. Mamaya na lang ako na lang. I like that.
Mabawi ah.
Entrepreneurship or entrepreneurship or entrepreneurial. It is the ability refers to the skills of owner or producer applied to combine all the factors of production to produce goods and services.
Kaya tayong bueno. Hindi mo yung bueno. Hindi yung bueno.
Bali yung entrepreneurship, a production, ito yung definition. It's a person who puts together all other factors of production, the land, labor, and the capital in order to create goods and services to satisfy the human want. Yung tayo sa quality of a good entrepreneur. Kailangan natin sa entrepreneur, meron siyang energy, vision, willingness, at